Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to English class standard 6. So title of poem is Time by Christina Rosty. So the new words we are going to use in this poem, नए words second, minutes, hour, week, month, moon, run, year, almanac, age, sage and rhymes. So let's start with our poem Time. How many seconds in a minute? 60 and no more in it. How many minutes in an hour? 60 for sun and shower. How many hours in a day? 24 for work and play. How many days in a week? 7 both to hear and speak. How many weeks in a month? 4 as the swift moon runs. How many months in a year? 12 the almanac makes clear. How many years in an age? 100 says the sage. How many ages in times? No one knows the rhymes.